Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Hotel Front Office Dialogue, Part 2. Today, we will share a few real-life hotel front office conversations. If you want to have a decent career in hospitality field, then you should carefully observe each situation, and try to understand how hotel staffs handle their guests with utmost professionalism. Conversation in the Business Center Service. Receptionist: Good afternoon, reception. Can I help you? Guest: Good afternoon. I am George Neal from room 901. Could you tell me from where I can check my emails, and also send some postcards to my friends? Receptionist: Well, we have the business center, remains open 24 hours for our guests. You also can rent a laptop on hourly basis for your personal use. It costs only US $5 per 2 hours. Guest: And what about sending some postcard to my country, New Zealand? Receptionist: If your postcards are ready by 6 in the evening, we can deliver them to the nearest post office for sending. Should we send a laptop to your room? Please pause the video and click on this subscriber button. Then log into your Gmail account and click again on the subscriber button. Then you should see this message. Either click on OK or make my subscriptions private. In this way you can successfully subscribe to this channel. After that, whenever we would upload new training videos, you will receive emails in your Gmail account. Very easy, right? So, please go ahead, pause the video and take action now. Guest: No. I will better come down to the business center. It is nice way to meet some people, and also get assistance if required. I will hand over the postcards to you so that you can send them today. Thanks for the information. Receptionist: You are most welcome, sir. We are always at your service. Dialogue for asking a doctor or nurse. Guest: Hello reception. Receptionist: Good afternoon reception. How may I help you? Guest: This is Anu Singh from 303. We have a serious problem. Is there any doctor in the hotel now? Receptionist: I am afraid not. But we can call one quickly in an emergency. Aren't you feeling well? Guest: Actually it's not me. It's my wife Henna Singh. She has very bad pain in her chest. Receptionist: I will call the doctor at once. Can you tell about any other symptoms? Guest: Yes, her breathing is weak, and she doesn't seem to have a temperature. It looks as if she's had a heart attack. Receptionist: I am sending the nurse right now, and calling the doctor immediately. I will ask the ambulance to be ready also. I will call you back as soon as I know what doctor suggests. Guest: Hurry up, please. It is an emergency. Receptionist: I can understand, sir. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.